How to fix Google Photos app not opening or working problem in Android device. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your settings application. In here, scroll below and tap onto apps. From here, go on to photos. Then here, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Now come back, then tap on force stop, then tap on OK. Now go back to your settings page and you will see a search bar icon. In here, type in mobile network. As you do so, you will see mobile networks under connections. Tap onto it, then tap on mobile networks again. Here you will see access point names. Tap open that option, then tap on three dot icon on your top right, then tap on set to default. Then tap on reset. Now once you have done that, restart your device and this shall fix your problem. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.